what a politician does when they are afraid. They are afraid to confront their constituents because there is no defense from the moral bankruptcy and the moral cowardice of essentially letting the Trump administration, the Trump Doge regime, run roughshod over the Constitution of the United States of America.
The Supreme Court, in my opinion, is a joke. So I'm ashamed to be a citizen right now. But I have to tell you, it's wonderful to see all my fellow citizens here today under Dan's leadership, so I really appreciate it.
There was a guy back in the 1930s who used to blame everything on the immigrants and deported them without due process. I feel like history is repeating itself, and it scares the hell out of me.
We believe in our republic, and it's good to see all of you that you do not kneel to a king, because we will never kneel to a king, and we will never sell out our republic to a bunch of oligarchs.
I'm a Lincoln Republican because I believe in government of the people, by the people, and for the people.
Do your job.